Hi guys, I'm going to be doing my first 360 video of the year. I'm here at Willoughby Heritage Farms. This is the first one. Seems like there's a lot of people out here and it might be a little windy, but I'm going to go ahead and see what I can do anyway. Let me say what I was going to say again. I'm at Willoughby Farms. It's a little bit busy today and the house is closed. I have to go into work today, but I thought I would just try to get my first 360 of the year. Just see how this camera looks. It's a new camera. It's an Insta360 X2. I'm in the barn. Seems to be nobody in here. I mean, there's not many lights. In fact, they don't have any lights on. But we may be able to see anyway. I hope so anyway. Look at the size of that fan up there. Thing looks like it's about 8 or 9 foot. Each blade on there. See how the camera does up here. It's really dark up here. But like I said, this is just a test, guys. I'm gonna get out and go into the house when it's opened soon. Get a 360 of that just to see what it's like in there. I was only in there one time. That was around Christmas time. But I didn't take no pictures or no video or anything. Okay, it's kind of windy outside too, and it's a little cold. Looks warm, but it's not. And I'm going to take just a little walk around the grounds. And I may not be able to talk because you might not be able to hear me because of the wind. Yeah, they must be doing an awful lot of working here today or something, and there's not a lot of things open. I'm surprised. It's a Saturday. And they do open that house quite often, but I guess it's not open today. Maybe they don't open till summertime. Like I said, I was able to go there during the winter, and the house was open, and I was able to walk inside. I don't think it's restored. I think it's just in the original shape it was in the 1900s. In the early 1900s, I believe. See how this camera does in this completely dark room. Might not be able to see anything. It's even difficult without my sunglasses. Like I said, I will come up here again when they have everything open and the lights are on, so you can see, because there's a lot of neat stuff in here. You know, guys, there ain't much else to see, so I think I'm probably going to film while I go back to the car. is some old farm equipment that they have. It's kind of way in the back here too. Seems like they would put it out in front, but I think they're probably doing things to get ready for the summer season. They might have more going on than they ever have. It looks like there's an awful lot of work going on here. Fire pit, that's pretty cool. I'll have to look into that. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope this test was entertaining.